I'm speaking about is the balance. So management expectation, usually it is like we would like to have everything for free. Then the scope, everything and something more. In some cases, we would like to jump from the Stone Age to the space shuttle. Because of this, it can have a fail in some phases of this. So better to do step-by-step approach. Because of this, the scope is really important. So because of the scope, another part of this is the cost. Because if you would like to have all-in-one, fast, it will be not cheap. And the duration, because duration is also important because if the project will last for years, so your return will be quite questionable. Maybe the market will be changed in this time. Maybe the value will be changed. Maybe you need to invest in different things.